Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to start your first Django project using Django 5.0. So first of all we are going to start our terminal, and here I will check my Python version. So at the moment the Python running on my system is 3.11.5 and I don't have any Django installed, so I'm going to install it on my machine. So Django is installed now. Now I'm going to create the first project using Django 5.0. So in order to create that, we are going to run a command Django. So, and before creating that project, what we are going to do, we are going to change our current working directory. So let me clear the terminal. So I will go to documents, and here I can show you. So right now I'm in the document directory. So now I will create my first Django project. So this is the directory now created with this command. So if I open this directory, there are another directory and a file manage.py, and there are some other files. For instance, urls.py contains your URLs for the web application. So now I'm going to show you how to start your Django site. So in order to do that, I will go to blog site, and then I will run Python run server. So now the server is started, and I'm going to show you how does it look like. So if you see this page, and in order to do that, what you have to do, you have to open a browser, and in your browser you have to type this one. So this is the URL, or you can replace this IP with localhost. So here you can see I have written localhost colon 8000. So this is the port number. So if you see this page, that means Django is running successfully on your system. Thank you very much for watching.